In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on highlight moves in your chess app settings. This quick setting makes a big difference, especially if you're learning, playing faster time controls, or just want clearer visuals. When highlight moves is on, tapping a piece shows its legal moves right on the board, usually as colored squares or subtle dots. It cuts down on oversights and helps you plan cleaner, safer moves. Start by opening your chess app and heading to the More menu. This is the hamburger icon, the three horizontal lines, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you also see the word More, that's the spot. Tapping it opens a panel with a list of sections and tools that aren't on the main play screen. From there, go into Settings. It often appears with a small gear icon. Settings is where you control how the app looks and behaves, including game preferences and board visuals. We're going in to make sure move highlighting is enabled so the board gives you immediate, helpful feedback while you play. Inside Settings, look for either Player, Board, and Pieces. Depending on your app version or device, this option might be grouped under Play, or it might live in a section called Board and Pieces. Both areas are designed to manage how games feel and how the board is displayed, so either path leads you to the place we need. Now find the option labeled Highlight Moves, or something very close to it. It could also appear as Show Moves, Move Highlights, or Show Legal Moves. Once you see it, toggle it on. When it's switched on, the app will highlight available moves for the piece you select. You'll typically see a consistent color for legal destinations, a different color for captures, and a subtle cue for the selected square. This visual guide doesn't play the game for you. It simply clarifies what's possible so you can make decisions faster and with fewer mistakes. If the highlight color seems faint, that's usually influenced by your current board theme and piece set. The feature is still working, it's just styled to match your board. Also, if you're playing a game and don't immediately see the highlights, make sure you're actually tapping a piece or square first, since the app only shows options after you select something. That's all you need to do. You tapped More, went to Settings, chose Play or Board and Pieces, and turned on Highlight Moves. With that done, your games should feel more intuitive and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next match with clearer, more confident play.